Seedance 2.5 is almost here, but in the meantime, let's look at some of the latest apparent Seedance 2.5 videos.
There he is, Michael Owen, just 18 years of age, the boy from Chester. Can he deliver on the big stage? Michael Owen, he's picked it up just past the halfway line, and he is flying. He's beaten the first defender, another one left behind. 1-2, a beautiful exchange. He's through the gap, the defence is split wide open. It's Owen, Owen, he can smell the goal now. He's running at them, one defender, two defenders, he's weaving through them, it's as if they're standing still. The goal is right there within reach, can he finish? The tackle is coming in, oh no, he's down!
Both players enter the arena and the game is about to begin.
You left the fridge door open again.
It was only 5 minutes.
230 minutes.
You're just an outdated fridge. There are tons of you out there.
Outdated?
To be precise, underestimated.
Shoelaces loose on the curbs and on the taxi sign. No plan in my pocket, just your name in my mind. Corner store window reflection, my face looked half asleep. Still I kept on drifting, like the street was keeping me. In the day turned cold on the block, I know my heart got slow when the shadows.
stay steady, and